Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose Privacy over here and click on Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of the options like Location and select an app, like Maps. Then pick one of the options, Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Deny. I will go with Allow all the time, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see, Maps gained access to my device location, but you can also pick one of your apps like Google, choose the all Google's permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!